Hi, I'm Helen Lambert, an independent occupational therapist and director of Covio Dementia Training. It's my pleasure to introduce the Dementia Re-enablement training resources. Commissioned by Social Care Wales and Health Education Improvement Wales, these resources have been developed to upskill frontline staff to enhance their care and support of people living with dementia and their care partners. These resources are for anyone supporting a person or people living with dementia in their own home, for example, domiciliary care workers or healthcare assistants, allied health professionals such as occupational therapists, physios and dietitians, social workers or nursing staff. The Dementia Re-enablement training resources bring together a range of different resources which are practical, strengths-based and flexible. These include a video which offers guiding principles to support people living with dementia, another video which introduces positive approach to care as a way of delivering a relationship-centred enabling approach, a workbook that gives information about dementia re-enablement, information about dementia-friendly design and meaningful activities, and a number of practice dilemmas to support the understanding of behavioural and emotional expressions of need. The resources can be completed in full or dipped in and out of to best meet people's needs. They may be completed alone or used as part of a team meeting or a more formal teaching session. They might guide and support clinical supervision. To give people a range of options, the same content is available in different formats. So, somebody who is responsible for staff training or supervision, such as an allied health professional or team manager, may work through the resources in one format to improve their own knowledge and understanding, or use the same resource in another way to support others' learning. Learning isn't assessed, but can be used to show continued professional development. For example, after someone is registered with Social Care Wales, or as a requirement of a professional body, such as the Royal College of Occupational Therapists. A reflective record sheet is provided. To request your access to the self-directed learners content, please email dementia@socialcare.wales. If you need access to resources to support others' learning, please specify facilitators folder in the subject line of the email.